Still car repair, still car garage. Today we are replacing these bump stops on the rear suspension on my 07 Mustang GT. So these things get worn down over time, and this is what they could look like. It's about the worst they can get, but it's supposed to look like this. I actually didn't even notice that this was a problem until I made a video on my rear shocks, and somebody actually reached out to me and told me that these are worn down in the comments. So shout out to that guy. So that's the reason I'm changing them out now. So first things first, you get a T40 Torx bit screw. Take these two bolts out. Get a wire brush and clean all that up. The new one goes on just like that. So essentially, if you bottom out at a bump or a deep part in the road or a pothole, you can see where, since I didn't have it, it was nicking up against this part of the frame here. So this will kind of act as an interference. So if I do bottom out, this will hit the top of here, and I won't get that crazy like thudding noise. So if you hit a bump and it sounds like crazy, or a dip in the road and it sounds like something's like tearing up, check these out, make sure that they're still intact. So let's go ahead and bolt these down. Use that T40 screw here, screw it in, get both sides bolted in. So I actually picked these up from Amazon. It comes with new hardware, so I'm gonna put the new hardware in there. The new hardware is also T40, so I'm gonna just run these down, tighten it up, and I'm gonna move on to the next side. So that's how you replace the bump stops on the 05 through 09 Mustang GT. It's pretty simple. Just take these two out, clean off the surface, put a new one in, you'll be all finished. Till next time, still car repair, still car garage. Peace out. Like, share, subscribe.